when the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. Today we are here with date number 13. Let's go with it. Here it is, guys. That's today's build. There's appears to be some sort of mouse droid. I think it's a mouse droid from when they put on the Death Star. So again, we do have sort of big sort of Death Star First Order theme going on here, guys. But nonetheless, actually quite a cool little build. It's a mini build, even but it's still nice. It's a sort of half minifigure kind of build. But no, I think it looks cool. And guys, that's today's episode. Thanks for watching, and see you later.